Hello, today we will guide you through how to optimize Claude AI prompts for best results. To begin, open your browser and search for the Claude AI login page. From the search results, select the official Claude sign-in option and open it. This will take you to the login page for your account. Once you are signed in, you'll be ready to start working inside Claude. The first important idea to understand is that the model you use can affect the quality of the results you get. Before you even write your prompt, it helps to be aware that different models may respond differently depending on the type of task you want to complete. If your goal is to improve output quality, choosing the right model is part of the process. From the main Claude interface, click on More Models. This gives you access to additional model options and helps you see what is available for your task. When you are optimizing prompts, this step matters because better prompt performance is not only about the words you type, but also about matching your request to the right model. Next, go to the side menu and click New Chat. Starting a fresh chat can be useful when you want cleaner, more focused results. It gives you a fresh context and helps Claude respond directly to your current instructions without being influenced by an earlier conversation. Now focus on the core principles for optimizing prompts. First, be clear and specific. Instead of writing something vague, describe exactly what you want Claude to do. Clear instructions reduce confusion and usually lead to stronger, more relevant answers. Next, use examples. If you have a certain style, format, or type of response in mind, showing an example can help Claude understand your expectations more accurately. Examples act like a guide and often improve consistency. If the task is complicated, break it down into smaller parts. This makes it easier for Claude to follow your request step by step and produce a more organized answer. Complex requests usually work better when they are separated into manageable pieces rather than packed into one long instruction. It also helps to use structured formatting in your prompt. Organizing your request clearly makes it easier for the model to interpret. A well-structured prompt can improve both readability and output quality. Finally, remember that model choice matters. If one response is not giving you the result you want, reviewing the selected model can be just as important as rewriting the prompt itself. With the right model, a fresh chat, and clear, structured instructions, you can consistently get better results from Claude.